Nvidia, a company that strives to break all the boundaries of modern technology, has always succeeded in surprising the world with novelty. The company's new computer has now released a quite terrifying warning to all other computers. Welcome to Galore Techs. In this video, we'll get to see what this warning is, and we'll also dive into Nvidia's new endeavors and two other emerging technologies. The company and its ventures. Nvidia Corporation is a famous name both in the software and fabless industries. Well, what exactly does this company do? It's headquartered in Santa Clara, California, and it's incorporated in Delaware. Designs and supplies graphics processing units, application programming interfaces, and system-on-a-chip units. It also remains to be a major supplier of artificial intelligence hardware and software. The graphics processing units designed by Nvidia are used for edge-to-cloud computing and in supercomputers and workstations, where they have applications that include differing spheres like architecture, engineering, media and entertainment, automotive, scientific research, and even manufacturing design. Now, GeForce, a brand of their GPUs, was designed by the company targeting the consumer market and has found its way into video editing, 3D rendering, and even PC gaming. Oh, and speaking of PC gaming, Nvidia has further widened its reach in the gaming industry by introducing the Shield Portable, a game console, the Shield Tablet, a gaming tablet, and Shield TV, a digital media player, along with its cloud gaming service, GeForce Now. Well, the company's endeavors do not end with GPU design and manufacturing. It also provides the CUDA software platform and API that enables a generation of parallel programs which utilize GPUs. The company also ventured out into the mobile computing market in the late 2000s by producing Tegra mobile processors for smartphones and tablets, along with vehicle navigation and entertainment systems. Its fierce competitors include AMD, Intel, Qualcomm, and AI accelerator companies like Cerebras and GraphCore. The new era. AI, it's conquered the world, and it is indeed the future. With the world switching over to AI, the company has some plans. The founder and chief executive of Nvidia, Jensen Huang, put forward his vision for a new era that comprised generative artificial intelligence and robotics for industries that are powered by chips, software, and other advanced solutions from both the company and its partners. Huang said that computers are no longer just an instrument for information storage or data processing, but a factory for generating intelligence for every industry. He continued, "We started with accelerated computing and now an industrial revolution," he said. "Your computer will not just be a tool that you use, the computer will now generate skill. This is in our near future." So the computer that generates skill defines how advanced modern technology is escalating to. The future is indeed exciting, and with the future in mind, the company released products like Blackwell graphics processing units and even software frameworks, the Compute Unified Device Architecture. So what is their purpose? It was to provide the technical components for enterprises to establish advanced data centers known as AI factories. Their aim also included providing for developers to generate high-performance AI applications for various other industries. Now, Huang said, "The next industrial revolution has begun. Companies and countries are partnering with Nvidia to shift the trillion-dollar traditional data centers to accelerated computing and build a new type of data center, AI factories, to produce a new commodity, artificial intelligence." He went on to add, "From server, networking, and infrastructure manufacturers to software developers, the whole industry is gearing up for Blackwell to accelerate AI-powered innovation for every field." It is to be noted that the company has been successful when it comes to establishing a hardware and software ecosystem that forms the basis of a plethora of new computers, servers, and other products that are being deployed by the most renowned data center operators, including Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. These data centers provide the computing infrastructure where massive language models and generative AI services such as ChatGPT are being developed. He said, "Now we have 5 million developers for CUDA around the world." Then he went on to add, "We serve every single industry, from healthcare, financial services, the computer industry, automotive industry, just about every major industry in the world and every field of science." Now, before he concluded his 2-hour presentation at the National Taiwan University Sports Center in Taipei, he left us with another statement that simply showed us the extent of the company's vision. The world of AI. According to him, the next step of this new era for artificial intelligence is to propel robotics. He calls physical AI the next evolution that is already taking place in Taiwan, with major partners like Foxconn Technology Group and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co. paving the path. The company has also built an advanced development platform known as Omniverse, which will be used for the generation and training of AI for various robotic applications. He also went on to share an early experience of the company as they dealt with the supercomputing requirements for OpenAI. He said, "After 2012, we changed the architecture of our GPU to add tensor cores." He added, "Nobody understood it. OpenAI, a small company in San Francisco, asked me to deliver one to them. I delivered the first DGX, the world's first AI supercomputer, to OpenAI in 2016. But it doesn't end there, as the company has announced its first step of its glorious vision. Rubin. This next-gen AI chip is based on 8 stacks of HBM4 memory and will launch in 2026. The chip is named after astronomer Vera Florence Cooper Rubin, and its aim is to revolutionize generative AI with the help of new GPUs and Vera control processors. The company also presented new tools and software models along with Project G Assist, an assistant powered by AI. But just the introduction of a chip does not promise the next evolution, unless they're coming up with new computing methods. Well, they are. New computing methods. Huang said that he is seeing computation inflation, and with the amount of data needing to be processed proliferating, the traditional computing methods will eventually fail to keep up. This is where Nvidia's style of accelerated computing comes in to cut back on costs. According to him, there would be 98% cost savings and 97% less energy required with the technology. He went on to say that constituted CEO math, which is not accurate, but it is correct. AI has been taking the world by storm, we know this, with big sharks like Meta and Google attempting to capture their slice of the pie in the AI world. AI has stepped up a lot, and this is the perfect example of that. AI video and tooth regeneration. This is the first official commissioned music video made with OpenAI's Sora video model, and as per the filmmaker Paul Trillo, what you see here is straight text to video. Yes, you heard that right. It was Ernest Weatherly Green Jr. who performed the track. The video you see is a 4-minute long clip that involves a point of view zooming through various scenes. Trillo generated 700 different OpenAI Sora clips, and of those he chose 55 and compiled them into a final video with the help of Adobe Premiere. He stated on X, "This was an idea I had almost 10 years ago and then abandoned. Finally, I was able to bring it to life." He also went on to share his excitement about the unimaginable possibilities that lie within artificial intelligence and could be used for the creative fields. And let's admit it, this is scary. He says, "I look forward to being able to incorporate some of this brand new technology and seeing how that informs what I can come up with." Well, the hardest part is from Washed Out's new album, Notes from a Quiet Life, which is set to be out on June 28th. And that is when you can catch hold of AI's creativity. But we've come up with something that's a whole lot more interesting than this one here. Who knows? Maybe you'll use this one day. Japanese researchers are on the way to a huge breakthrough in dental medicine. What could it be? It's the development of a drug that can regenerate human teeth. This treatment focuses on the USAG1 gene, which prevents tooth growth. By this method, they can enable the development of new teeth from existing buds. And this drug has shown surprising results in animal trials and is awaiting human clinical trials this year by trialing on adults with congenital tooth loss. Now, if this is a success, it could act as a natural alternative to dentures and even implants. So what did you think about this video and the scope of AI? Will Nvidia become the biggest world company? Tell us down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting Galore Tech's videos. Thanks for watching.